passing none as function parameter, where parameter is a function. I am writing a small app that has to perform some sanity checks before entering execution. E.g., of a sanity check, test if a certain path is readable/writable/exists. The code. My question is related to the sanity_check function. This function takes three parameters: bool_func, true_func, false_func. If the bool_func, which is the test function, returning a Boolean value fails, true_func gets executed, else the false_func gets executed. 1. Lambda column none is a little lame, because for example if the sanity_access returns true, lambda column none gets executed, and the output printed will be. So it won't be very clear in the logs what function got executed. The log will only contain. Is there a default function that does nothing and can be passed as a parameter? Is it a way to return the name of the first function that is being executed inside a lambda? Or a way not to log that, exec, if nothing is sent as a parameter? What's the none/do-nothing equivalent for functions? Additional question, why is lambda column pass instead of lambda column none not working?
Update. I would normally delete this post because THC4K saw through all the complexity and rewrote your function correctly. However, in a different context, the K combinator trick might come in handy, so I'll leave it up. There is no built-in that does what you want to fic. I believe that you want the K combinator. The link came up on another question, which can be encoded as. Of course, if this is just a one-off, then you could just do. But then you don't get to say K combinator. Another advantage of the K_combinator approach is that you can pass it to functions, for example. As for your second statement, only expressions are allowed in lambda. Pass is a statement. Hence lambda column pass fails. You can slightly simplify your call to sanity check by removing the lambda around the first argument. This is more readable, largely from expanding the ternary operator into an if. The boolfunc wasn't doing anything because sanity_check wasn't adding any arguments to the call. Might as well just call instead of wrapping it in a lambda.
You might want to rethink this. Callable objects can simplify your life.
Actually, what you want is a function which does nothing, but has a __name__, which is useful to the log. The lambda function is doing exactly what you want, but execfunc.__name__ is giving. Try one of these. You can also put your own attributes on functions. Then change execfunc.__name__ to guitarra, execfunc, log_info.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.